Meaning of inpatient.
Impatient.
Inpatient.
Impatient.
Inpatient. The term inpatient refers to a patient who is admitted to a hospital for medical treatment and requires overnight stay. Unlike outpatient treatment, inpatient care involves more intensive monitoring and management of the patient's condition, usually with the assistance of trained medical personnel. Inpatient care may be necessary for a variety of reasons, including the need for surgery or advanced medical interventions, management of complex or chronic conditions, or for patients requiring close observation and supervision. In summary, inpatient care is a higher level of medical care that involves a more extensive and involved approach to patient treatment and monitoring.